Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students, how are you? I wish you have a good mood and good time. In this video, inshallah, we're going to explore science together within the website of your book. At the beginning of the year, I sent to every one of you this username and password for class 4A and 4B. You can access with them easily. You just put your full name and your username, and your password. I think all of you has these usernames. If you don't have it, contact me. I send it again to you. Then you go to the website link like this one. I will send it to you, inshallah, in the description of this video. And then you put your username and password here. Then you log in. When you log in, you will find the launch button of the course. At the beginning, the first access of you on this website, please send me to add you to the course. Then you can launch it. When you launch your course like this, you will find the units of the book on the left side, the resources of the book on the right side. Actually, my interface is different. It is not like yours because this one is for teachers, but I think mostly it is the same. Here you have the resources, the general resources of the book. Here you have the lessons of the book or the units of the book. We are here in physical science, unit 1 recently, but for you, I advise you to go to the student view to see the lessons of the book. When you press here on the physical science, then you go to student view. In student view, you can reach to each lesson of the book easily, and also you can reach to the library if there is any assignments. You can find it here. Also, you can listen to the text or to the transcript of this book audio. You press this one. Then it opens with you with number of the pages. I think there is some differences between the real book and the website book, but mostly it is the same. When you press like this, you can get back or get forward easily. Also, you can listen to the text or videos of this book. Here is a video, as you see. Also, you can download this video if you like. At least you download the transcript of the video. You maximize the image to see well. Then you minimize it again. Also, you go forward for the book pages on the website. Always look at the number of the pages here when you study. Always also search for the resources for each lesson from this button, as you see. Here, the introduction resources. Here, let's explore page 18 and 19 resources. When you press it like this, you will see another drop list that has some more details in resources about the lesson, maybe videos, maybe links, maybe tables, maybe images, whatever. You can discover these resources of the book. Finally, in the school, they gave you 2 books. One of them is the main book like this. Other one is the assessment book. Here you have to have some homeworks in the book. I will send you the title of the homework or assignment and the number of the page. Only follow your weekly plan to finish lesson by lesson studying, and contact me if you face any problem within WhatsApp group for students or with my private number. I wish you have a good experience dealing with science. Also, with your project, after the quiz we have finished, we have to do a project. In this project, You can do a project, for example, poster, model. You design a device. You have any scientific idea related to science, transformation of energy, changes of energy, um, uh, model of turbine, model of electric circuits, open and closed ones. When you finish your video, when you finish your model or your project, you can record your video. Then I could upload it to you, upload your job here to this one. Projects of students on my YouTube channel to be public for all over the world students. They can discover it. As you see, these are some projects of your friends for the last years. Contact me to get my full help. I'm ready to help you as much as I can. I don't mind if you face any problem dealing with this website or dealing with the book. At the end of the lesson, make sure that you receive wrapped up questions, answers from me. You receive the model answers of the assessment questions and assessment practices. Also, sometimes we need to draw some things in the notebook. You have to have your pencil, your colors. You have to be ready for the revision of the lesson with worksheets or with MLG tasks. You can finish it one by one. Finally, I just like you to discover your website that I will send the link of it in the description of this video. And I wish you have a good experience dealing with this website because it helps you a lot to understand the book and the using technology of studying science every lesson, inshallah. I'm still ready to receive your questions. If you have any questions related to science book or science website, here on YouTube or on WhatsApp group of students of your class. Thanks for everyone. Goodbye and good luck. See you inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.